In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and 4K GPS drone package. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, time-lapse and quick transfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package comes with a UHD camera that delivers high-resolution images and videos, providing an engaging flying experience with its 5 GHz ultra-fluent FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens. The drone's GPS-assisted flight feature ensures that the drone always returns when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or when the auto return button is pressed, providing peace of mind for the user. Featuring an upgraded configuration, the drone boasts 2 enhanced batteries that provide a longer flight time of 60 minutes, and its brushless motors offer a quieter, stronger flight. The drone is easy to operate with multiple functions such as automatic takeoff and landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and electric fence, making it ideal even for beginners. The drone's considerate design includes an advanced LED screen remote control which displays the battery level and GPS signal, and its control range reaches up to 3,000 feet. With a foldable design and a well-fitted carrying case, this drone is easy to take outdoors, making it an ideal choice for those who enjoy outdoor activities. Comparing the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone package, both drones offer high-quality camera capabilities, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro boasting a 48 megapixel photo and 4K video, and the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone offering 4K UHD video. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's flight time is up to 34 minutes, while the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone can fly for up to 60 minutes due to its 2 enhanced batteries. Both drones have a foldable design for easy transport, but the DJI Mini 3 Pro is lighter, weighing less than 249 grams. The DJI Mini 3 Pro stands out with its tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, providing enhanced safety. Both drones offer a range of intelligent features, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro offering features like FocusTrack and MasterShots, and the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone providing features like automatic takeoff and landing and emergency stop. The DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with a new DJI RC with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, while the TENSSENX 4K GPS drone includes an advanced LED screen remote control. Both products have received positive reviews, but the DJI Mini 3 Pro has a slightly higher review score.